Hello everyone. I want to talk in this video about the custom app called Enhanced Campaign View. I will leave the link for it in the description below. It mainly does two things. First of all, this is a custom app inside the Frappe framework. It enhanced one of its views, built-in views, which is the campaign column-based view. In this custom app, we have currently two main features added to the view. First one is the ability to create dynamic columns based on a link. We can link one doc type to another, which will enable us to create columns and delete them automatically. It has the ability to auto sync, which is very useful in terms of dynamic and complex pipelines for lead generation and CRMs. The second feature is the ability to add rules on columns inside the campaign. For example, if you have a column, for example, which is called got the user needs, then we must have the user need before we move it. So we can add a rule that we can't move a card from a column to this target column unless we enter the data or the required data, or the required data is populated already. This is a very important feature. Here we can see the normal campaign view inside Frappe. This is the lead doc type inside the ERP next. We will go and create a new campaign board. This campaign board, let's call it anything. Let's like new view or new board, and we will click on the columns based on. Here we will see the first feature that we talked about. We can now link to other doc types. For example, the lead owner is linked to the user's doc type, while we have the way, which is select. We can go for gender, and it has two options, and it's a select field, not a link. It's not linked into any original doc types. So we will go with the other option, lead owner, and click save. Now you will see this view, which has all users inside the system, and we can already do some filters on the columns. We can remove one of the columns, and we have here all the users, and let's see in action the auto sync property that we talked about earlier. For example, let's go for the users doc type. Let's first add one. Let's go for anything. Okay, and go for like this. Yeah, he gonna tell us that we don't have rules enabled, but we are okay with that. It's only for presentational purposes. Here we can see that it auto synced and added a new column here in the campaign view, and we can move cards into it like this. This is working and it's very good. Now let's see the other feature, which is the rules on specific columns. For example, let's go here and create campaign board rule. This will enable us to create a rule in a specific column, and if we click that, it will auto populate the campaign board that we was in. Now we can see all available options, which are all the columns available in the campaign, which is based on the users. And we will select, for example, the test and add a new required field. This will make us specify which fields are required, and we will go, for example, with a field that I added earlier, which is movement reason. Yes, it will we must specify why we moved the card from one column to other. We will hit save, get back, give it a quick refresh, and we are here. Now I will move the one of the cards into the other column, and you can see that it opened for us a dialog with a required field is movement reason, and we can't save unless we enter it. And if we didn't click save on it, it will make us return the card into its original place. Thank you for watching. This was the features currently available in the version 1 of the enhanced campaign view.